how to make your PC run faster in 3 very simple steps. So today I'll show you guys how to make it happen. So let's get it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe for regular videos on how to fix and optimize your computer for both gaming and home use for free. Alright, the very first thing that you need to do is to check and clear out temporary files. So let's go over to Start menu and then type in Run, hit enter, and then type in %temp and then percentage there and hit enter. And then as you can see, we got tons of random files that your computer doesn't have any use for, and it's taking up so much space, so we can just delete all of them. So all you need to do is just to click on Control A to highlight all of the files. Don't worry about deleting all the files that you can see in this window, because the computer won't let you delete important files that it needs by default. Just press the skip button on those files. So I'm gonna hit the delete button on my keyboard, or you can just right click and hit on delete. There, you'll be able to see this window if the computer tells you that this certain file is important and cannot be deleted. So all you need to do is just to click on do this for all current files and hit on skip. There. Okay, so it deleted the files that are not important or the computer doesn't need. Those files can cause lag or can cause a little delay on your computer's response as well, so it's better to delete them occasionally. Alright, apologies for the noise, it's raining heavily outside. The next step that we need to do is to delete prefetch files. So prefetch folder takes more space with time because of outdated files stored in it, so it is necessary to clear all the files in the folder once in a while. To do this, you need to go to the Start menu and hit on run. Type in run and hit enter, and then type in prefetch. Alright, there, like this, and then hit on OK or hit enter. And as you can see, the folder is empty because I just deleted mine recently. So, but if it's the first time, if it's your first time to be in this window, you're gonna be seeing tons of files that the computer doesn't need. So all you need to do is to highlight them by pressing Control A on your keyboard and then hit on delete or right click and delete the files. Okay, and once you're done, there'll be no more unnecessary files that slows down your computer. Okay, the next and final step is to do a disk cleanup. Disk cleanup helps free up space on your hard drive, creating improved system performance. Disk cleanup searches for your disk and then shows your temporary files, internet cache files, and unnecessary program files that we can safely delete. So to do that, we just need to go to the Start menu again and then type in disk cleanup. There, you'll be able to see this app right away, and just click on it. Okay, and then hit enter. Okay, and don't worry about deleting everything on this window, because these are just stuff that your computer doesn't need. So all you need to do is just to check all the boxes here. Yeah, check all the boxes that you can see in this window on the files to delete, and then hit on OK. There. So after you're done doing this, what's gonna do is just gonna clean up those unnecessary files that your computer doesn't need, that slows down your computer. So that's it. Those are very simple steps on how to improve your computer's performance. Again, if I did forget anything, please let me know by leaving a comment down below with any tips that you think would also be helpful. The community would greatly appreciate it. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit on subscribe and hit on the notification bell for you to be updated with regular videos on how to fix and optimize your computer for both gaming and home use for free. So, peace.